up everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you to boil water. For this you will need a pot and a water. The next step is very important, so I want you to pay attention. You're gonna be putting the water inside of the pot. So the water is completely inside of the pot. And then depending on the stuff that you have, you throw it away and then you buy the stuff that I have right here. And so you're gonna put the pot on the stove and you're gonna heat it. This is exactly how the water will get boiled. And then what you do is you wait. There's a few things that you can do while you're waiting. You can watch a bunch of my other videos. They might not be as informative as this one, but... And then what else you can do is make a scarf. So after you made a scarf, the water should be now making bubbles, and that means that your water is boiled. So this is how you boil your water. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.